Like, a pro. Mastering the usage of like in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of prepositions, focusing on a very common one, like. In this lesson, we will explore how to use like to indicate similarity or comparison. We'll also practice some examples to help you understand its use more effectively. Like is a versatile word in English. It can function as a verb, a preposition, a conjunction, and even a suffix. Today, we're focusing on like as a preposition. When we use like as a preposition, it generally means that something or someone is similar to or the same as something else. The structure is usually subject plus verb plus like plus object. For instance, you sing like a professional singer. Here, like is showing similarity between you and a professional singer. Now, let's understand how like is used to indicate similarity. For example, if we say, he runs like a gazelle, we are comparing the way he runs to the way a gazelle runs. Fast, graceful, and effortless. The preposition like here is used to draw a similarity between his run and a gazelle's run. Some more examples. 1. She paints like Picasso. She paints in a manner that is similar to Picasso's style. 2. He cries like a baby. He cries in the same way that a baby does. Like can also be used to make comparisons. For example, if we say, working without a break is like running a marathon, we are comparing the exhausting nature of working without a break with the strenuous task of running a marathon. Here, like acts as a tool of comparison. More examples. 1. Living without internet is like living in the Stone Age. Living without internet is compared to living in a primitive time. 2. Trying to understand quantum physics is like trying to read a book in a language you don't know. The difficulty of understanding quantum physics is compared to the difficulty of reading a book in an unknown language. And that's all for today. We hope you now have a better understanding of how to use like as a preposition to indicate similarity or comparison. Remember, the best way to learn is to practice. So try making your own sentences using like. The more you use it, the better you will get at it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!